Hey guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope you guys are all well. Had a good weekend. So quick update today. We had our sell signal, and which I think I did tell you. I took some extra short positions. I did get stopped out at my stop loss on that short on the bot. Um, but I think I did mention I am working an actual short position in my main trading account. The bot did actually hit a buy, and it did go on side by quite a bit. I think it went by over 1%. I know because I had a different bot that took a 1% profit. That's sort of like a scalping bot that I use. It did actually take a 1% profit on this one as well, but that's not the main one that I run. But yeah, so we had the scalp on there. But like I said, I've been working a short position, so I did take some more off, added some more when we were up here, took some off, added some more, and 9,500 again actually, and then immediately got filled off with some of the position. And then now what we've got is actually another sell trade we have now. I think definitely looking at the bigger picture. I know that I went over in my last video why I was erring on the side of caution. Stocks have rebounded a bit today, but it is looking like a dead cat bounce. Oil is still capitulating. The Chinese stock market was down 7%. The Hang Seng was down. So things are looking not too great for wider financial markets. And I did mention I think that will drag us down. So so we'll see what happens with Bitcoin over the rest of this week. But yeah, again I've taken some extra short on my bot here. That's gonna see what's happened with that trade. And yeah, so I'm still working the short position from that I've been working this whole, well, what is it now? So since here, so about since the 28th of January, so that is about 29th of January, so about 5 days, 4 or 5 days now. So I've worked up enough profit, working the range to have pretty much, I think we can get up to about 9,700 and I'll still be at break even now. So that's sort of the way that I look at how I trade. I trade like a range if I'm working a bigger position, and then what in effect I'm doing is I'm increasing my average entry sort of by increasing the profit that I've already got booked in the trade, and then when we break down, then I'll look to sell more. So like I did look to sell more here, or I did sell more here when I was sort of hoping that would be the break, and I have sold more here when I'm hoping this will be the break. But if it's not, I will sell more if we have a bounce, then take some more off if we come back down again, and then hopefully work up more profit. And then so if I end up taking a small loss or break even at a higher level due to the profit that I've made on the trade so far, then that's obviously just a risk I took, isn't it? So so that is how I like to trade. I don't think getting in at one particular price all in is the best way to do things. Sometimes it can definitely work, like if you've got like a larger time frame structure that is definitely looking like it will break, and it does, then by all means that is a good point to then jump into a big trade. But we're sort of calling the top of a quite a strong rally here, so I definitely don't think any given point to call right I'm going full size position here now is the best way to put on a trade. But yeah, like I said, stock markets, we've had a bit of a dead cat bounce towards the midpoint of the sell-off over the past few days, which is a totally normal occurrence. Markets will have a large sell-off, they'll retrace to the midpoint and then resume on down. It also happens the other way. Markets will have a large rally, they will retrace to around the midpoint and then they will carry on rallying. It's just how markets often move. So so we're getting a bit of chop going on here. We're getting a few wicks. We can see like we are looking like we're trying to break one way, but then there just isn't the conviction, there isn't the follow through. Definitely isn't a follow through either way. We will break at some point. One of these wicks won't be a wick, and it will be a an actual move. So yes, I'm not going to bore you guys with any more of my other views or anything other than just this quick look at this 15-minute chart. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. More videos to come. Yep, and yeah, like, comment, share. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes. Do your own research. And yeah, don't trade or invest money that you can't afford to lose. Thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you again very soon.